This video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to order a service or order a package on the kdboosthub platform. And if you haven't already watched the video that I've made about depositing money into your kdboosthub account successfully, I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description on a pinned comment section, associated with other videos on both the platform which you can watch and then have a better understanding on how the platform works successfully before we can be able to start using it. So I'm not going to be wasting much of our time over here. Let's go straight into it and then order our first services on the platform. So once you're on the home page over here, and then you have your account funded successfully, I want you to click on the plus icon and then click on order. So from there, it will take us to the order page for us to be able to order our services. So from this order page, you are going to see the kind of the number of services that are active right now for you to order. So the first one over here, we have Telesa data, which is known as Spari. Then we have AFA registration. Then we have Etetingo data, and then MTN Master data, and then MTN Express data. And then also we have Etetingo Big Time data. So mind you, all these services comes with you will see that the services, some of them are repeated twice, but their prices and delivery speed are different. So let's say, for example, let's go with the MTN Master data. I want you to click on the order now, and then it will take you to the order page or order form over here. So once you're on the order page or form, you see that 1 gig on the MTN Master platform costs 5 cities and then 14 pesos, and then all the way down to 100 gig, which costs 470 cities, 60 pesos. So with this type of package, your data delivery will be a little bit slow. But if you go back to the MTN Express, which is over here, then you click on order now, you will see that the package is a little bit, the prices for the packages are a little bit higher as compared to the master packages. So now on the 1 gig we have it at a cost of 5 cities and then 33 pesos, and then the 100 gig is at 487 cities, 50 pesos. And then with the express package, the delivery speed is usually fast. Within 10 to 30 minutes, your data bundle will get delivered. So I'm going to be going with the MTN Express data. I'm going to be entering my phone number, which is this. And then once you are done entering your phone number, I want you to click on the button which says place order. Then it will deduct the amount from your wallet and then tell you that your order has been successfully placed. So if you go to the history section over here, you will be able to track your order, the status of your order, whether if the order has been successfully delivered or not. So right now we see that our order is on pending status, which means we just place it right now. So you have to wait for a little bit of time for it to get delivered to us. But if in case you haven't get the data delivered or the status is completed and you haven't received it, you simply just have to click on report issue via WhatsApp, and then it will reports the issue to the admin or the customer support on WhatsApp for you to get it figure out or fix within a minute. So that's pretty much it on how to order on the kdboosthub platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then write down anything in the comment section so that I can be able to attend to it and then help you out if you are in any kind of need at all. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video again. Peace.